Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Remainder Theorem. We are solving the exercise 8b, episode 5.8. We are with sum number 5. From sum number 5 to sum number 10, all the sums are of same type. So that the term is a factor of a given polynomial, and afterwards they are asking you to factorize. This question is of 3 marks. 1 mark for showing that the term is a factor of the polynomial. Another 1 mark is for division method, or you can say long division. And another 1 mark is for showing the complete factorization. Okay, we'll come up with the question number 5. Using factor theorem, show that x minus 3 is a factor of x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 9, and afterwards they're asking to factorize. We'll do the same method. First of all, we'll show that it is a factor. So for showing a factor, we need to put x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 3, placing the value of x as 3 in the polynomial. In place of x we are getting, and simplifying it we are getting 0, hence x minus 3 is a factor. In place of 0, if you are getting any term, any number, that means that particular term is not a factor. But here we are getting 0, hence we are showing that it is a factor. Okay, we are dividing the polynomial by x minus 3. So here we do x minus 3 minus 7x square plus 15x minus 9 divided by x minus 3. Here we are having x, here we are having x3. So what we multiply? We multiply with x square with this one. With this x we get minus x square. So here x square multiply by x, so x cube. X square multiply by minus 3, so minus 3x square. Division we put minus, so minus, this to cancel, minus becomes plus, the new sign is plus, so minus 7 plus 3x, it gives you minus 4x. From the above expression, plus 15 will come down. Now here we got a new term, that is minus 4x square. We don't have minus 4, so here it is x, so multiply with minus 4x to get minus 4x square, and minus 4x multiply with minus 3 becomes plus 12x. Division we do minus, so minus plus, so new sign is plus, minus plus minus, so new sign is minus. So these two cancel, while plus 15x minus 12x will give you 3x. From the above expression, minus 9 will come down. We don't have here 3x, so in order to make 3x we have to multiply with plus 3. So plus 3 multiplied by x is plus 3x, plus 3 multiplied by minus 3, it is minus 9. Minus plus minus, and minus plus. So these two cancel, plus 9 minus 9 plus 9 becomes 0, so 0. So we have divided the polynomial, so we got the quotient x square minus 4x plus 3. And further we do like this, fx is equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 9. So x minus 3 and the quotient x square minus 4x plus 3. And then we simplify this one, we factorize this one by splitting method. We are simplifying it by splitting method in order to obtain x minus 3 and x minus 1. So x minus 3 2 times, so x minus 3 whole square and x minus 1. So this is how we do the factors of the given polynomial. I hope you understood this sum. Question number 6 is also like this. We'll work it out with question number 6 now. So here sum number 6. Show x minus 4 is a factor of the polynomial, and then it is asking us to factorize. So term x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 4. Placing the value of x in the polynomial and simplifying it, we are getting 0. Hence x minus 4 is a factor, but our sum doesn't stop here. We require to factorize. So for factorizing we require to divide the polynomial by x minus 4. So we are dividing it here. First of all, if you see, here it is 2x cube, here it is x. How can I make this x as a 2x cube? By multiplying with 2x square. So 2x square multiplied by x, it is 2x cube. 2x square multiplied by minus 4, it is minus 8x square. In division we do minus, so minus, these two cancel, minus it becomes plus, so the new sign is plus. So x square plus 8x square becomes 9x square. From the above expression, minus 26 will come down, so it becomes 9x square minus 26x. Now in this we are having x, I require to make it as 9x square. So what can I do to make 9x square? I have to multiply this x with 9x. So x multiplied by 9x gives me 9x square. So 9 multiplied by 4, it gives me minus 4, it is minus 36. Now minus, in division we do minus, so minus, this becomes 0. So minus it becomes plus, minus 26 and plus 36 becomes minus, becomes plus 10 minus 40. Now I require 10. So I multiply with plus 10. So plus 10. So 10x minus 40 minus this one cancel, minus minus plus, the new sign is plus, minus 40 plus 40 becomes 0. So here we have obtained that there is no remainder, it is 0 by multiplying x minus 4 with 2x square plus 9x plus 10. We are getting the polynomials. Still we have to work it out further. So fx is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 26 minus 40. So x minus 4, that is this one and this one. So it is x minus 4 and 2x square plus 9x plus 10. Then factorize 2x square plus 9x plus 10. That what we have done and studied in lower standards, and by factorizing we are getting x minus 4, 2x plus 5 and x plus 2. I hope you understood this sum as well. Let us move on to sum number 7. So here 7th sum. So x minus 3 is a factor of 2x cube minus 3x square minus 11x plus 6, and then it is asking us to factorize. Same method that what we have done in sum number 5 and 6. So here answer, x minus 3 is equal to 0, therefore x equal to 3. Fx is equal to 2x3 minus 3x square minus 11x plus 6. F3, that is placing the value of x as 3 and simplifying it, we are getting 0. Hence x minus 3 is a factor. We go on further for dividing, for division, and for division we are factorizing it actually. So x minus 3, that is been the divisor, 2x cube minus 3x square minus 11x plus 6 is the dividend. So simplifying, if you see here we are having x, here we are having 2x cube. So what we are multiplying with x, we are multiplying with 2x square. So 2x square plus multiply x, we get 2x cube. 2x square multiply minus 3, we get minus 6x. In division we are using minus, so these two cancel, minus minus it becomes plus, so new sign is plus. So minus 3 plus 6, we get 3x square. From the above expression minus 11 will come down. Same method we are obtaining the answer. Remainder is 0 and the quotient is 3x square plus 3x minus 2. So fx is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 11x plus 6. So x minus 3, that is our divisor, and 2x square plus 3x minus 2 is our quotient. And factorizing 2x square plus 3x minus 2, we are obtaining the final factorization is, final answer is x minus 3, x plus 2 and 2x minus 1. I hope you understood these sums. I'll see you in next episode for sum number 8, 9 and 10. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment box. Thank you very much guys.